Hi students, I hope that are doing well. This is our 20th video lecture. I am following according to SPT syllabus. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about arithmetic and bitwise operators. Arithmetic and bitwise operators. We will see what are arithmetic operators and what are bitwise operators. First, before going to talk about arithmetic operators, already in my previous video lecture, I taught you about operator and operand. Operator is a symbol that perform action on operands or arguments. Again, I want to give the example to understand in a better way. Just look at here. I want to write down something to understand. What is the operator? Any symbol. Plus is operator. Minus is the operator. Asterisk is the operator. Slash is the operator. Plus, minus, asterisk and slash. These are the operators. So these are the operators. Why you are using these operators? To perform some actions on arguments. What are arguments? 4 plus 5. 4 and 5 both are arguments. And A plus B. A and B are operand. So operator perform an action over operand or arguments. I hope that it is clear what is the argument. 4, 5 are arguments. What are operands? A, B are operands, and this operand will give the result based on operator that you are using. This is operator. Operand, already said that operand. A, B both are called as operand. So operand are the value on which the operators act upon. What is the operand? An operand are the values on which the operators act upon. So A, B are operands. So operator will act upon operands. Okay, A is here, B is here. So now what operator will do? It will act upon operands. That is called A plus B. That means 4 plus 5. So now operator act upon operand. So it may be numeric variable, it may be primitive data type variable, it may be reference variable, it may be a literal, it may be array element, or it may be a char primitive. So operand may be a numeric variable, primitive type variable, reference variable, a literal, and an array element, or char primitive. These are called operands. I hope that it is clear what is the operator, what is the operand. Now I am going to talk about arithmetic operation or arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. So these are the arithmetic operators. This plus, minus, star, slash, ampersand, increment operator, plus, equal, minus. These are the arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators help us to do the arithmetic operations. So what are arithmetic operations? Here variable A is there. A equal A plus 5. So it means what? Already in A some value is there. Just imagine in A value 3 is there. Okay, plus 5. Now 3 plus 5. So this value will go and store into variable A. So here some addition is going on. So this kind of operation is called arithmetic operations. We will see one more example, that is, take the same variables A minus B. So here A value equal to 3 and b value equal to 5. Now a minus b, some value will come. Like this, using of these operators, you will do the arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. So I want to read out for you what is given in this slide, then you come to understand easily. Here, arithmetic operations, all of you know about that arithmetic operators. So since our childhood, we are studying about computer. In the computer, we are studying about arithmetic operators. There is the plus, minus, asterisk, slash, ampersand. These all are arithmetic operators. So using of these operators, we are doing arithmetic operations. What I am showing here. So these all are a equal to a plus b. So a equal to 5 plus 5 and a percentile 3 and b equal to b percentile 3. So percentile is a modulus operator, is a module operator. So it will give a reminder. So we will see. So if you are using the percentile operator, that is modulus operator, it will give you the reminder. If you use the slash, it will give the coefficient in a division. This is the difference between module operator and percentile operator. So I want to show some operators here and their description and example. This is the operator name here, description is here, example are here. First one, plus. Using a plus, okay, add values on enter sides of the operator. So how we will use the plus operator is very easy. We are using manually, same way we are using plus operator here. A plus b, okay, a plus b. This is the way how we are using the plus operator. Then subtraction operator. All of you know about the subtraction operator, minus and a minus b. Okay, this is also a answer is 10. Just imagine what is the a value is here. A value is 10 and b value is 20. Okay, now a minus b means 10 minus 20, answer is minus 10. Then asterisk. So this is a multiplication operator, multiplies the values. So a star b, a star means 10 star 20 equal to 200. Already it is given here, 200 is given here. So this is the asterisk operator to multiply the values. Then division. So division, all of you know that 10 divided by 10 slash 20. So answer is b by a will be 2. So modulus operator, and remainder will give, remainder is 0. Then increment operator, plus plus is the increment operator, and the value will be increase, and decrement operator. So these all are increment, decrement operator, plus, minus, asterisk, and modulus operator. These all are arithmetic operators. Each and every operator will use the different operations. So now we are going to talk about bitwise operators, because it is a very easy concept. Arithmetic operators are operators we are using day-to-day life every day. In your maths also, plus, minus, asterisk, slash, modulus operator, ampersand operator, increment operator, decrement operator. These are all the common operators that you are using in arithmetic operations. So next one is the bitwise operator. So it may be new for you, but it is a old one, but the name is a new for you. So I will tell you what is a bitwise operator. In my previous video lecture, I taught you about bitwise operators or logical operators are same. So we are using the same concept here. Bitwise operators and logical operators, it will perform the same kind of operations. So we will see first operator, then we will see the operation later. How bitwise operators will work in programming language. First, I would like to introduce about operators in a bitwise operator. What is a bitwise operator? So look at here, many operators are given and their functionality also is given here. First one is the negation. This one is called negation operator. Negation operator is nothing but inverse always. If you write negation operator means opposite of the original. Look at here, I will tell you. So a equal to 1. Okay, this is actually a value. Negation a will become 0 because a is 1. What is the value of negation a? That is 0. It means negation is nothing but inverse, or negation will give the opposite result of the original one. That is a negation operator. Then AND operator, which is a logical operator, we will see. Then OR operator, then XOR operator, then shift right, and shift right 0 fill, and shift left, and bitwise AND assignment, and bitwise OR assignment, and shift right assignment, shift right 0 fill assignment, shift left assignment. So these are the bitwise operators. These are the bitwise operators. Bitwise operators also saves to like logical operators. We will see with the example. I will explain you. Look at here. I said that in my previous video lecture, I said about logical operators. So what are the logical operators? We discussed regarding OR operator, AND operator, XOR operator, and their functionalities and their truth table. The same thing here also. We are following the same thing here also. Same, because it is a bitwise logical operators. Okay, same. So here 0, I will show you what is operation of this. For example, you want to add in bitwise logical operators, how it will works. How it will works. I will show you. I want to take one example. Let's take the 1 numeric value, take the 2, okay, numeric value 2, and take the 3, okay. Now I want to add 2 plus 3. So I want to add 2 plus 3. I want to add 2 plus 3. So what is the answer? 5 is the answer. This is actually manual method. When you want to add decimal values, 2 decimal values, will get the 5 is the answer for that. But here, when you want to add, this is a binary value, just imagine, when you want to add these binary values, especially bitwise operators, we will perform the between binary numbers. Now, what is the binary value of 2? Binary value of 2 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. What is the binary value of 2? 1, 0. Now, what is the binary value of 3? 1, 1. Binary value of 3 is 1, 1. So, now, what is our intention here? To add 2 plus 3. Just add it. What is the symbol for that? Plus symbol. Now we add. So actually, if we want to follow the procedure, what is the answer? 5 is the answer. But here 5 is not the answer. We will get another answer. We will see the way how we will get that different answer. So when you are using bitwise operators, in AND we have to follow the truth table. What table? Truth table. I hope that you already know about the truth table of AND, OR, okay, and implies and by implies. This we have to study about these operators. Already you studied in your 10th standard about truth table of AND operator, OR operator, and implies and by implies. Now I am going to talk about truth table of AND operator. So when the truth table AND operator, here A is there, B is there. When the both are 0, 0 and 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is the answer for that? When the both are 0, 0, answer 0. Both are 0, 1, answer 0 again. 1, 0, answer 0. When both are become 1, then answer is 1. This is the truth table. That means except A value and B value both are 1, then only output will be 1. Apart from, so except A, B both are 1, 1, then only output will be 1. Remaining all cases, 3 cases are there, remaining 3 cases, answer is 0. Okay, so now we will see, according to this truth table, we have to apply the same thing in this addition. Okay, addition. And now A, B value, we know that. What is the B value? First take the, now just imagine, just here, what is the, sorry, what we have to add here? We have to add 2 plus 3, okay? So now 2 value is 1 0, okay? What is the 3 value is 1 1 1 1 1 1, okay? Now add this one. So actually 0 1 answer is 1 1 1 answer is 0 1. That is the actual answer that we have to get. But we are following logical operators. Now we have to follow the truth table. Just look at here 0 1. So I already said in the truth table of AND operator, when both are 1 1, then only answer will be 1. Apart from that, all cases 0. Okay. Now 0 1 answer will be 0 only. Now 1 1 answer would be 1, because when the both are 1 1 answer will be 1. Apart from this case, remaining all cases will get the output 0. So this is the 1 0. So what? So what is the answer we are getting here? 1 0. 1 0 means what? What is the answer? 2. Okay. If you want to add 2, plus 3, the ultimate answer is 5. But when you are using the bitwise operator, what is the answer for that? We are getting 1 0. 1 0 means what? 2. 2 is the answer. So this is the difference between arithmetic operators and bitwise operators. If you do the same thing in ordinary way, the answer would be 5. But when you are using the bitwise operators, we are getting in a different answer. This is logical operators. The same way R also. We will see about R also. Then we will wind up this session. Look at here. I want to do the OR operation now. Same numerical numbers I want to take. Just take number 2. So the binary value of 2 is 1 0, and another number 3. The binary value of 3 is 1 1. Just add both of them using of the OR operator. So previously I am used AND operator. Now I am using OR operator. Take the OR. This is the OR operator. So before going to apply the OR operator, just we have to know about a truth table of OR operator. So this is quite opposite of AND operator. So in the AND operator, when both are correct, both are 1, the answer will be 1. But remaining all cases 0 only. But here, when the both are 0, then only 0. Remaining all cases, output will be 1. I will show you. So 0 0 0, 1 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 1 also 1. So we are getting 3 ones here. Only one time only we are getting 0. That means when the both are 0, then only output 0. Remaining all cases we will get the 1. So same this truth table we have to apply in OR operation. Now listen. What is the 2 answer? Here, okay, 2 is there. What is the binary value of 2? 1 0. Binary value of 3? 1 1. Okay. Now apply the same thing here. I already said 0 1 in OR operator 1, because if you get the 1 is 1, then you will get the output 1 only. 1 1 again 1. So now 1 1 means what is the answer for 1 1 means what is the decimal value of 1 1 in a binary form? The 1 1 means it is a 3 3 3. Okay, this is 3. Now previously using a AND operator, we are adding 2 and 3. We are getting binary value of 2, and now we are using OR operator to add the 2 and 3. Now we are getting answer 3. So this is a bitwise operator that you are using in computer organization architecture. And apart from that, we have the shift operators to move the shift means to move the bits one position to another positions. How many times you mentioned? That many times the position will be shift to right direction or left direction. When you want to change the positions of the bit, then you are using the bitwise operator to change the position of a numbers. So till now what I have discussed in this video lecture, the same you can see here with the big numbers. Here number 60 is there, number 30 is there. Just adding 60 and 30, okay, and again with using of AND operator, OR operator, XOR operator, inverse operator. Just apply the truth table here and we'll get the answer, and we can understand bitwise operator in a better way. So look at here, just I am adding 60 and 13. Okay, just apply the truth table. 0 1 using AND operator, 0 1 0 only, 0 0 0 again, 1 1 1 1 1 1, okay, 0 0 0. So same answer we are getting or not? So 0 1 0 only AND operator, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1. So when the both are 1 1, then only we'll get the 1, remaining all are zeros. But R is quite different. Okay, if any one is 1, remaining will be 1. Okay, any one means ऊपर 0 है, नीचे 1 है, आर ऑपरेटर में आंसर कितना है 1 है. अंड में ए आर ऑपरेटर में, अगर अंड में 0 1, अंड में कितना है 0 है, 0 0. ये अंड ऑपरेटर में है तो 0, ये आर ऑपरेटर में है तो 1. अगेन आई वांट टेल यू, आर में 0 1 1, बट अंड में 0 1 0. This is the difference between AND and operator. So what we discussed till now: operator, operand, arithmetic operators, bitwise operators, examples. I hope that you understand this concept clearly. Thank you for watching. Thank you. We'll see you later.